Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. You have got to get some of these new mics that I got if you do any kind of video recording. I got some of these DJI Mic 2s that come with a carrying case that also is a charger. It comes with 2 microphones and a receiver, which is on the phone and on me right now. It also comes with interchangeable USB-C connectors or lightning connectors, depending on which kind of phone, iPhone, Android platform you're using. What's awesome about these is you can also get them with just 1 mic and 1 receiver. If you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but helps me out a lot. You can use the mic alone and just record audio if you want as a standalone receiver, or you can also use it in conjunction with your recording device so that you never lose audio. A great thing about these mics is its intelligent noise removal system. I have a big issue when I'm recording here in the shop of having a lot of background noise. These are awesome at isolating my voice automatically without me having to do it when I edit the video. They have an amazing range of distance that you can use these mics away from the receiver, up to 250 meters, which is crazy and is great if you're doing outside recording. They have a very long battery life, up to 18 hours. I've never had to use that because most of my videos are pretty short. If you do any recording and need a great set of mics, these will be great for you. If you're interested, click in the link in the description and get yourself some.